think we're gonna have enough, and get it up away from there, and then it'll pull.
We're getting it loaded up. Truck's coming together and putting all the trim over here.
All set.
All right.
Load her up, Tyler.
We'll pick it up. Alright, I came in last night and I'm here this morning. And when I got here, I had a nice surprise. The grader was here. He's already been bringing in dirt. Well, looks like he's brought in a load of dirt. He'll be coming with another load. Okay. He took that big rock out. Okay, we got the truck decked up and hopefully we can get out this time.